Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This could be your forever home. This recently built 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house could be the perfect place to call home, as it is perfectly designed for a family. Nestled on almost a quarter acre or 10,890 square feet of land, sits this home with an open concept floor plan, beautiful high ceilings, spacious rooms, in-unit laundry, a chef's kitchen, and a large master suite. There is also ample space in the yard for a little gardening, entertainment, or expansion. It is also designed for a section to be converted in an income earner. So, there is the possibility of earning while living. This house is located in Cheniston Drive, Spanish Town, which is a quiet returning residence community and is just minutes away from the highways to get to Kingston or the North Coast. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, grilled, kitchen built-ins, jetted bathtub, fully walled, family oriented, private setting, quiet area, seniors oriented, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $177,000. Now, let's check out this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.